Oh, I got back home sort of late last night. Yeah, what an absolute asshole of a hitch. Just constant downhole issues, drilling through spoil dump, and yeah, rig breaking down non-stop, ute breaking down, truck broken down, compressor broken down. So it's just a lot of things that pretty much broke me. So I've put these 2 weeks off, and I'm taking an extra week off. But just quietly I managed to get another job, week on, week off. About $5 an hour more. So yeah, a bit better lifestyle, more of a lifestyle roster. Just had enough of it. Just like I get machines break down, I get that, but when it's daily, you know, it's always something breaking down, and it was just getting too much. So yeah, I'll put my notice in next week, and then that's it. So still be drilling, just week on, week off. More money. Get a meterage bonus after so many meters. So like the missus and kids had had enough of me working away for 2 weeks at a time, and yeah, so I did too. Like, it's just getting too much. So yeah, onwards and upwards. Looks like they've had a fair bit of rain here at home recently. There's a lot of washout. So went over the mower shop this morning. They were just waiting on one part. So I said I'd just pick everything up when it rocks up, hopefully next week. It was just one of those little brake shoe things on that pulley. Just a bracket on that. So yeah. A little bit of mowing to do, it's not too bad. A little bit of tidying up to do, not a great deal. Hopefully if the parts turn up next week and get the mower back together. Well, it's together now, I can mow now, but rather just get everything all at once, put it all together. So yeah. Yeah. Other than that, have not been doing much at all. Just work, broken down. Oh, something's been eating the pumpkin I forgot there. Yeah, I'll do some mowing videos and mower repair, and so I got the steering gear, got the head gasket, valve stem seals. What else? Got the drive belt pulleys. I can't remember what else. Oh, I was going to measure up inside of those wheels, see whether they fit on the front there, even though they're a bigger rim. Just see if they fit, whether or not that'd work. Like, you'd have to level the shit out of the deck and that, but and get back on to looking at bearing kit for that. Although I'm pretty sure I couldn't find any without getting custom bearings. Also got the air filter system to do, so probably want to pull that head off to have a look down the bore, and that I'll get that going. I might even try and get some scrap steel today or over the weekend. Start knocking something up. Yeah, other than that, not very much has been happening. So, got 3 weeks off and then start early June at the new job, so might even get in and actually do something with this chicken area. I started years ago and never got bloody anything done to. Because why? Because money. Money. Downstairs toilet's blocked, and got my brother to come in and have a look at it. It's still blocked. Rang up 6 different plumbers this morning. $143 an hour it starts at to come and snake a toilet, and there's no availability until mid-July onwards. So I think I'm just gonna have to go and buy a proper little snake thing. I've got like one of those hand crank ones, but doesn't seem to, it's only a short one. It's only probably 1 metre long. I'll probably need something a couple of metres long because it the kids in their rubbish. Comes from back of the house there to the septic, and there's no cleaning up port I can see without digging the line up on the septic tank there and tracing it back. Might be lucky, there might be one there under all the soil, but who knows. But yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick update. Definitely get some more videos out this break. Be able to start doing a bit more now that starting to make a bit more money. So might even try and get this little rocket going again. I can track down another cylinder head or pull it off and go get that welded up. The corner of the head welded up and reinforced or something, because I had the head rebuilt. It's just that corner bit that bloody cracked when I went to torque the head bolts down, because it's an angle one. You do two, go around the head twice. I think it was 45 degrees each time, and then you torque it down. And I should have just found a proper torque, torches. Found a proper torque spec for it and just done it up as torque, not, basically 90 degrees and then torque, because I think that's what cracked it. So yeah, try and get that little rocket going. It's a pretty cool little car, like for something that's going on 30 years old, it fucking zips along. How my grandparents never got any speeding tickets, especially my nan, I don't know. But the kids have been in it, because I had old sheets on the seats. Yeah, kids have been in there. Bit of a bummer. But yeah, anyway, I'll got a doctor's appointment myself, so I will check you later.